Hey you, yeah you watching the video. I know you want to make money. You want to make money fucking quick, right? You want to make it super quick and super simply? Well, I got the answer for you. Now me with my rich expensive cars and my many wives, I can give you the chance of a lifetime in order to make money. Yeah. Come to my seminars. Just come to my seminars. Just come to my seminars. Because you'll be making money in no time. No time, I say. That's right. No time. And if you really want to get rich quick, here's 5 simple steps. Hear that? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them together on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you did it. Now, the best 5 ways to make money are coming to my lectures. They're only $1,000 each. Learn using the knowledge you learn from my $1,000 lectures, and then just Step 3, step 4, profit. Just simple like that. It's a simple lifestyle. And you're probably wondering, to yourself, how can I get this wonderful lifestyle that you, obviously have? Because you have many wives, you have many cars. I also have many houses and many millions. But for the low price of $1,000, you can get all of that and more. You can get twice as many wives as me. You can get 3 times as many cars. You can get 20 times as much houses. It's astronomically through the roof. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, I never knew I could do this just by going to a simple seminar. Now, that's where you are correct. You didn't know you could do all this. For $1,000, low price of $1,000. You didn't know you could make thousands upon millions upon billions. You could be the next Jeff Bezos if you follow my steps and come to my seminars. You want to be the next richest man on the planet? I bet you do. Now just come to my seminars. Just come to them. Come to my seminars. If you don't come to my seminars, you are making cash. You are making dirt poor decisions in your life. You're being worse than dirt for not coming to my seminars. You hear that? Worse than dirt. But if you come to my seminars, come to them all. Come to every seminar on earth. Every time, paying me $1,000, you'll be one of the richest men on earth. You yourself. Yes, you. Joe Blow. Behind the monitor, you will become the richest man on earth. Only if you follow my steps. If you don't follow my steps correctly, you lose everything. And when I say everything, I mean you lose everything. And it's a tragedy when people lose everything to my courses, and it's just because they don't know how to make the money correctly. Step 3 and 4 are Step 3, 4, and 5 are all profit. They're all profit. If you don't know how to profit, then you're just, I don't know. You don't deserve to come to my seminars. And if you don't deserve to come to my seminars, then, yeah, you don't belong watching this video. In fact, I'm actually going to end the video now and make the rest exclusive of my seminars. Goodbye.